Being a great application engineer is not only about technical knowledge. You must also know how to ask the right questions to the customers. Hello everyone, this is Raj from TechArt, your process automation strategist. So far, in this training program, we have learned many important technical concepts. We have also discussed about sensors, transmitters, controllers, communication system, and industrial monitoring software. We also studied real application like troubleshooting methods. All of this knowledge is extremely important, but the technical knowledge alone is not enough. To become a successful application sales engineer, you must also learn how to communicate with the customer effectively. This is where consultative industrial sales begins. In this phase, your goal is not simply to sell a product. Your goal is to understand the customer's problem and provide the right solution. In this module, we will discuss three key skills: how to ask the correct question, how to understand customer pain points, how to conduct technical conversations with confidence. Many engineers make a common mistake. They start explaining products immediately. But customers usually do not care about product specifications first. Customers care about their problem. For example, a customer may say, our process temperature is not stable, or we are not able to monitor humidity in our clean room. The customer is describing a problem, not asking for a specific product. If you understand the problem correctly, recommending the solution becomes much easier. This is why communication skills are critical for application engineers. Now, first step in consultative selling is asking the right questions. Good questions help you to understand the application clearly. Instead of asking only basic questions, try to understand the complete process. For example, you can ask, what parameter are you trying to measure? What is the measurement range? Where will be the instrument installed? Is the system used for monitoring or control? Do you need data logging or remote monitoring? These questions help you to gather the necessary technical information. Once you understand the application properly, you can recommend the correct solution. Another important skill is understanding the customer's pain point. A pain point is the real problem the customer wants to solve. For example, a factory may experience frequent temperature fluctuations. A pharma company may need compliance data for audits. A plant may want to automate tank level control to avoid overflow. These are all different types of pain points. If you focus only on the product, you may miss the real problem. But if you focus on the customer's pain point, you can design a solution that truly helps them. This approach builds long-term trust with the customer. Now, let us talk about technical conversations. When speaking with the customer, you must be confident but also be clear. Avoid using too many complicated technical terms. Instead, explain concept in simple language. For example, instead of saying, this transmitter supports Modbus RTU communication with RS-485 protocol, you can say, this device can send measurement data directly to your PLC or monitoring system. This makes communication easier for customers. At the same time, you must be technically accurate. Your role is to act as a technical advisor for the customer. Now, let's take one practical situation. The customer contacts you and says, we want to monitor temperature inside our cold storage facility. Instead of immediately suggesting a product, you start asking questions. What is the temperature range? How many rooms need monitoring? Do you need alarm if the temperature crosses limits? Do you require data logging for compliance? Do you want remote monitoring through software? After understanding these details, you can recommend a complete solution. For example, a temperature sensors, transmitters, data logging system, and monitoring software. This is how consultative selling works in industrial environments. In this module, we have learned about industrial sales communication. We discussed three important skills: asking the right questions, understanding customer pain points, and conducting clear and confident technical conversations. These skills help engineers move from product selling to solution selling. Industrial customers value engineers who understand their process and provide meaningful solutions. By combining technical knowledge with strong communication skills, you can build long-term relationships with the customer. This is the foundation of consultative industrial sales. In the next module, we will learn about industrial proposal and solution presentation. where we will discuss how to present solutions and quotation to customer effectively. So thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.